These are the Rozie Atom puppies. They are 6 weeks old. Rozie is 8 pounds salt and pepper. And these are her 3 babies. Libertan boy, Rex. Little black and silver girl trying to chew on the basket. And little tiny salt and pepper boy. Little one is, this little boy is tracking to be around 6-7 pounds. Kaylee is tracking to be around 7 pounds. And Rex is tracking to be around 10 pounds. Puppy puppies! Pups. Rozie loves to play with her puppies. And puppies are nearly weaned. They're doing really well eating food. Rex, are you chewing on a shoe? Are you chewing on a shoe? Hello, babies. Hi, pups. Rex is the bold, brave one. Kaylee and Kyle are quieter, a little bit more calm, but still very inquisitive. They're doing well in their pee-pad training. Another week and they'll be ready to go home. So actually they're 7 weeks, not 6 weeks. They were 7 weeks yesterday. And you can see they've had their little haircuts now too, so they look like proper little schnauzers. Hey puppies! Good puppies! Hello Rex! Hello pup. What are you doing? I can't take video of you if you're running at my feet. There you go. Yes, now you're gonna eat all the props we had for our pictures today, hey? Okay, let's not chew the basket though. Nope. No basket. Go play. And relax. Good puppies.